our goal in solving this inequality is to find the value of x, which makes the inequality true. First, let's rewrite the inequality so that one side is only x. To do this, let's eliminate 4/5 in front of x. So, we are going to multiply both sides of the inequality by 5/4. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we multiply one side of the inequality by a number, we must multiply the other side by the same number. After multiplying them by 5/4, the left side of the inequality is simplified to -25. Then, the right side of the inequality is simplified to x. And let's switch the two sides of the inequality, including the direction of the inequality. So, x is greater than -25. This tells us that x is all numbers greater than -25. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the right of -25. Then, let's put a parenthesis at -25 to show that the solution does not include -25. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol infinity, since there is no upper end to the solution.